Hi, I'm John Duran, and I'm the founder of Workforce Mobilizer, a hosted field service management system for companies who provide maintenance services at customer sites. We serve all kinds of industries, but in the next 10 minutes, I will talk to you about some key features in our Uninterruptible Power Supply Edition that is currently increasing the net revenues of our customers by up to 50%, while at the same time increasing customer satisfaction and retention. The first feature we'll look at is our interface to battery testing equipment, including Albert cell corders, Midtronics, Hioki, Ibex, Fluke, and others. By automating the integration of the battery test results, as well as our system-generated graphical charts into service reports, we will increase the value of those and will save countless hours of labor spent assembling service reports each week. In addition, the system can combine previous test results into trending charts and merge those into your report to help prove the need for timely replacement of batteries and help increase your sales. The integration with these testing devices even works in our mobile app for smartphones and tablets of all makes and models. Using complex formulas, the system can automatically calculate test results such as kilowatt and kVA loads, the percentage of loads, based on industry standards, while factoring in specifications such as the unit's power factor and the number of phases, reducing time spent calculating these while eliminating the risk of error, and provide credible information to increase new equipment sales. For each piece of equipment being serviced, the system generates an automated standard operating procedures and measurements list for the technician to complete. This list is contextualized based on the type of equipment being serviced and the type of service being performed. So the three-phase UPS major PM will have a different list than the single-phase lighting inverter minor PM or a three-phase UPS startup. This will ensure quality of services, respect the best business practices, and reduce the hours needed to train new technicians as well as limit liability and risk. Our next feature is activity sets. You can predefine schedules, including preventive maintenance schedules, based on your service offerings or industry standards. These will save time setting up services and ensure appropriate scheduling. They can also include non-service tasks, such as the annual contract renewals, to ensure those are handled in a timely fashion and prevent loss of revenue. The said schedules can also provide timely reminders for sales opportunities such as battery replacements, by preemptively setting calendar reminders years in advance for when near end of life will occur, ensuring you have ample time to work with your client in a timely fashion at selling them those replacements. Our unique job costing analytics allows you to see precise profit and loss numbers for a multitude of contexts, such as a contract or a job, or to compare PM only versus full service contracts, or each individual technician's profitability, and much more, giving you concrete numbers to see not only where you do well or not so well, but also insight as to why and what you can do to improve. The job costing analytics also compare those actual costs and revenues to what your sales team estimated they should be through the quotes they generated in the system. Provide a comparative baseline between your estimates and actuals, giving you the full picture of how well your sales team is quoting and contributing to your success. This will help ensure only profitable quotes are issued and that they respect your minimum set profit margins. Work queues are consoles showing actual work assignments and due dates for each position in the company in real time, ensuring each employee knows what is expected of him or her at all times. They also allow management to monitor all the workloads and ensure not a single task is missed, forgotten, skipped, or neglected, may they work in the office or remotely, ensuring you financially capitalize on all opportunities. While inventory management may not be as impactful for UPS companies as it is for, let's say, HVAC companies, it will ensure minimum stocking levels are upheld at all times and can help track tools allocation and vehicle stock levels, which can help eliminate unnecessary travel and downtime to complete jobs. All your data is linked together in Online Analytical Processing Cubes, OLAP for short. Those cubes allow you to create absolutely any and all reports by simply clicking, dragging, and dropping data elements in real time, so that when having meetings, you can, in real time, immediately find the answers to all your questions and not have to ask people to gather data, assemble it in a report, and review it at the next meeting, saving you weeks of time and labor and making you agile and flexible to quickly adapt to changes or events. Being able to access the system at all times from anywhere is also critical to efficiently conduct operations, especially for a field service company. And that's why we have both a desktop application console as well as a mobile app that supports all smart devices, may they be Apple, Android, Microsoft, or whatever operating system. That way you can leverage all the devices you already own. Our mobile app is not limited to service operations either, as it supports also sales operations and even reporting, elevating your efficiency as well as how professional you're perceived by your clients. Our system also comes with your very own co-branded customer portal. It actually provides full-fledged asset management of each unit being maintained to your clients. They'll have access to their entire maintenance history and actual service reports, as well as future preventive maintenance scheduled activities. This is not only the ultimate customer retention feature, but the hook, line, and sinker to close PM and full service sales opportunities. Using our patented equipment smart tags increases the value of your services and your client's visibility through outstanding repairs and maintenance work to help close those sales. It increases quality and timely communications with the client while reducing calls and increasing your customer's dependence on your services. It's not only individual features that can make a difference, but the combination. We found that by incorporating sales and customer relations management activities to contract management, operations, field services, as well as receivables and payables. Many individual features further increase the benefit of the other. This was one of the key findings in our 2-year case study of a UPS service company, whom during that period managed to double their revenues and triple their net profits through using our system. And they went from a $5 million a year company to a $10 million a year company. Finally, I can't go without mentioning our system integrates with almost all accounting systems, which ensures a smooth transition without impacting your receivables or payables. In fact, it will accelerate the processing of your AR and AP while ensuring accuracy. So, what if I told you there is no purchase needed, no upfront costs, that we hosted everything for you and your whole cost is only a few dollars per user per month, and it even included training, support, and migration? These were but a few of the many features that can have a meaningful, positive impact on your operations, and I'd like to invite you to further explore and go deeper into our system features through a live interactive web meeting. Whether you have just a couple of local technicians or have hundreds internationally, our system can scale to your needs present and future. Thank you.